We've tackled emails and social posts. Now, let's address the queen of all blank pages, the blog post. Maybe you know you should blog for SEO and authority, but the thought of writing 800 words makes you want to close your laptop. What if I told you that you don't have to write that first draft from scratch? That you can co-create it with AI, starting from just a simple idea you have in your head? Today, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step process to go from a single thought, like I want to write about plant care mistakes, to a complete, structured first draft in less than 10 minutes. This is about momentum, not perfection. Section 1. Mindset Shift. The AI as your research and outline partner. Critical mindset shift. We are not asking AI to write a final, publishable masterpiece for us. That leads to generic, off-brand content. Instead, we're using it as a brilliant research assistant and outline drafter. You're the head chef. You provide the core idea, the expertise, the stories, and the final seasoning. AI is your sous chef. It does the prep work, research, structuring, and giving you a first draft to work with. This partnership is powerful. Let's get cooking. For our demo, I'll stick with Bloom and Grow, our plant shop. My core idea is common houseplant watering mistakes beginners make. That's all we start with. Section 2. Generating the structure, the outline. Step 1 is to create a skeleton. A blog post without a structure is just a ramble. We ask the AI to build that skeleton for us. I'm typing. You're a blog post outline specialist. Create a detailed outline for a blog post titled, "The 5 Most Common Houseplant Watering Mistakes and How to Fix Them." The audience is beginner plant owners. The tone should be helpful and reassuring, not shaming. Please include 1. A compelling introduction hook. 2. 5 main points mistakes, each with a subpoint for the how to fix it. 3. A concise conclusion with key takeaways. 4. Suggest 3 to 5 FAQs to include at the end. Look at that. In 20 seconds, we have our roadmap. We have our introduction, 5 clear sections with fixes, a conclusion, and even FAQs. I didn't have to stare at the wall thinking of a second point. Now, I can instantly see if this structure makes sense. Maybe I want to swap mistake number 3 and number 5. I can do that easily because the thinking part is done. Section 3. Fleshing out one section, the collaborative draft. Now, we don't ask the AI to write the whole post at once. That's how you get generic fluff. We go section by section, guiding it with our expertise. I've pasted the outline into my document. Now, I'm going to have the AI draft just one section, mistake number 1, overwatering, and I'll show you how to make it better. Using the outline we created, please write the section for mistake number 1, overwatering, the love drowned. Write approximately 150 words. Make it practical and empathetic. Include one specific example, like symptoms in a peace lily or snake plant. Good start, but it's a bit textbook. Here's where the head chef steps in. I'll add my own voice and a real story. I'll change suffocates roots to sends the roots to a watery grave. That's more my voice. Now, I'm adding a personal story right here. I learned this the hard way with my first fiddle leaf fig, Frank. I watered him every Tuesday like clockwork, and he dropped leaves like tears. I was loving him to death. See the process? The AI gave me the core facts and structure. I injected the personality, the analogy, the love drown, and the real-life story. This paragraph is now unique and valuable. Section 4. Repeat, refine, and add your secret sauce. Rinse and repeat. Draft a section with AI, then paste and personalize. Add your secret sauce. That client story, that little tip you always give, that product you recommend. This is how you build a draft that is thorough, thanks to AI, and uniquely yours, thanks to you. Before you know it, you have 500 plus words of high-quality, structured content. The blank page monster is slayed. Section 5. Your simple blog writing workflow. Here's your new simple workflow. 1. Outline with AI. Use a detailed prompt to get your post structure and FAQs. 2. Draft in sections. Ask AI to write one section at a time based on your outline. 3. Edit with voice. Paste, then add your stories, humor, expertise, and specific recommendations. Your action step this week: run through just steps 1 and 2. Don't even publish. Just get an outline and draft one section for a blog idea you've been putting off. Prove to yourself how fast it can be. Conclusion: I've put the exact outline and section drafting prompts from this video in the description. They're yours to use. Skip the guesswork with 150 plus done-for-you prompts inside my small business AI toolkit. Find a link below if you're interested. Next, we're moving from content to cash. I'll show you how to turn messy client conversations into professional, polished proposals and invoices in minutes. This one is a huge time saver. In the comments, let me know what blog topic you're going to outline first. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.